Hi everyone, it's Jason here. Today we'll be talking about the blogging functionality on our platform. Before we talk about the how, let's quickly discuss the why. So blogging is important for many reasons. It keeps your employees and customers up to date on upcoming events. It creates content that you can share on social media, which will in turn drive traffic to your website. And it also keeps your website fresh with new content. And when it comes to search engine optimization, this is something that Google looks for when it decides how to rank your website in relation to your competitors. So there's many reasons to post articles on your website. Let's now have a look at how we can actually do this. So in the left menu, we'll click website and we'll click blog. From here, we'll click create post. All right, the title of our post is going to be grand opening sale. And from here, we can indicate whether or not we want this blog post to be published to our website, our employee portal, or both. I'll select both. Next, we can select a thumbnail image to accompany the blog post. This is entirely optional. And then we can add some SEO keywords that kind of relate to this image I selected. So we'll say kitchen. All right, below we can see the text editor where we'll actually build our blog post. So as you can see, there's a number of tools at the top here that allow us to interact with and edit the text that we add. I won't go through all of these or many of them, to be honest. They're very intuitive. You're probably already familiar with them based on maybe work you've done in a word processor in the past, but we will touch on a few of them. All right, so to start, I'll just add a title for our blog post. This will appear at the top of the article. And I should give you a warning, this blog post I create isn't going to be very aesthetically pleasing or have much content at all. The purpose of this tutorial is just to show you how you can do this. So next, let's actually expand the size of this text editor so that it's easier to work in. I'll click this full screen button here to put us into full screen mode. All right, next we can add a picture to the blog article. So I'll select a picture here, and from here we can click on the image and we can select whether or not we want it to be 100% of the width of the screen, 50%, 25%. From here we can float it to the right, float the image to the left, remove the floating. In this case, I'll maybe want to center align everything. So we'll select our text and then we'll click paragraph, align center. All right. Next, let's try adding a video to this blog post. So I've actually got a link to a copyright-free video that I'd found on YouTube. So we'll go ahead and use that as an example. So we'll click on this insert video link up here. And we'll just add the URL of the video that's hosted on YouTube and click insert video. And here it is here. We can actually play it within the text editor, which is kind of cool. Let's see. So that's pretty much all that I'm going to show you in terms of actually building the article. I think once you try this out, you won't have any problems at all, and you can experiment with some of the tools that we have up here to see how you can best format your article to work for your business. But for now, we're going to stick with this. We'll get out of full screen mode by clicking this icon again. I should also note that there's actually a help menu. If we click help and you're needing any shortcuts, needing to know about any shortcuts that you can use, you can reference that list. So let's scroll down and we'll click save and preview just to see how this is actually going to look on our website. So in this case, the image is a bit small. Let's close out of the preview and let's expand that to 50%. We'll go save and preview again. Okay, that's a bit better. Right, so we'll click save. Okay, so we now see that the blog article is in our list of blog posts. From here, we can edit it at any time. We have the option of deleting it as well. Let's have a look at it on our website. So we'll go to our dashboard. From here, we'll click View Website. And then if we scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see a link to our blog. And this page will basically feature all of the blog posts that we've ever posted. In this case, we just have one. So this is it here. We'll open it up. This is our blog post, and we can play the video as expected. All right, so that's pretty much it for how we can write blog posts using the platform. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via the information on our Contact Us page or submit a ticket. Thank you very much. Have a great day.